Hi guys, I'm Ushmita Roy, graduated from NIT Agartala on Electronics and Communication Engineering. In last year campus recruitment drive, I was recruited in Wipro Limited, and today I'm gonna share my whole interview experience with you. So please do watch the full video and do subscribe this channel. The recruitment process started with PPT or pre-placement talk. In that PPT, they gave us insights of their company and also discussed what will be their expectation from us after joining the organization and what should be our motto and which kind of skill set we need to have. So after the PPT was over, we were called for online test. The online test was consisted of 3 parts: online aptitude, coding test or Wipro Automata test, and the aptitude was again divided into 3 parts: numerical quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and English vocabulary test. Each section had 14 questions and the level of these questions were moderate. The next segment was coding or Wipro Automata test. 2 programming questions were asked to solve and the difficulty level of this question was a bit high. One can choose any language like C, C++, Java, Python to solve those questions, and the evaluation was done based on how many test cases one can pass in 2 questions. The last part was English essay writing test. We were given 1 topic to write on and word limitations was also there. So on the next day I got to know that I have cleared online test and I was called for technical interview. And in the technical interview, initially the interviewer asked me what are my basic skill sets and what are the fields of my interest. Then he asked me questions from Java, OOPS, DBMS. He asked me what is class, what is object, what is the difference between them, and also asked some real life basic examples of class and object. He asked me to write few syntax based problems and asked me to write a few SQL commands for fetching information from any database depending on some given conditions. Then he asked me questions from IoT and cloud computing server. At that time I tried to answer him as much as I knew. And lastly, as I'm an EC student, he asked me questions from my department as well. He asked me what is diode, what is PN diode, clipping circuit, etc. And after that he asked me whether I have any question to him or not. So I asked him that what kind of project we will get to work on in case I got selected in this recruitment program. So he answered me very nicely, and this way my technical interview got over. After waiting a few hours, I got to know that I have cleared a technical round and I was called for HR round. In HR round, the interviewer asked me to tell something about myself, my family background, whether I'm location flexible or not. Then he asked me why do I want to join Wipro and being an EC student, why I want to be in IT industry. I answered all of these questions and this way my HR round got over. And then after a few time I got to know that I am recruited. So guys, I would like to say all the best to all of you for your upcoming campus recruitment days, and it's a little suggestion or tip from my side that always try to upskill yourself. That will give you enough confidence to crack any interview. And also like to say thanks to Engineering Knowledge to having me for having me here, because it gave me a great opportunity to share my thoughts and experience with you guys. So guys, stay safe and